You have to start with the problem 4 of practice set 3.4. There is the auditorium with 27 seats. Means I will say that this is the auditorium and this auditorium has 27 rows. These horizontals are called as the rows. This is the first row, this one is the second row, this one is the third row, this one is the 15th row, this one is the 27th row. Means total number of rows in that auditorium is 27. There are 20 seats in the first row. Means T1 is equal to 20. Like that, here the chairs are there, and how many seats in the first row? First row holds only 20 seats. Second row holds 22 seats, and third row holds T3 is equal to third row holds 24 seats. Means if row number will increase at that time, 2 chairs will increase in each and every row. Means if this first row holds the 20 chairs, second row holds 22, third row holds 24, next row holds the 26, after that 28. Means each and every succeeding row will increase by 2 seats. Means this T1 is equal to 20 seats, T2 is equal to 22 seats, T3 is equal to 24 seats. Then find out the seats in the 15th row. Means you have to find out the T15. In 15th row, how many seats are there? That you have to find out. Means these 15 seats, like this, 2 will increase at that time. This 15th row will hold how many seats? That you have to find out. Means you have to find out the T15. And find out the number of seats in the auditorium. Means you have to find out the strength of the auditorium. Means total number of seats you have to find out in the auditorium. Means first row will hold the 20 seat plus 22 seat plus 24 seat plus 26, 28, like that. In 27 total 27th row, how many seats are there? Means strength of the auditorium you have to find out. Means you have to find out the S27. Then what is given, that you have to see. First row T1 is equal to A is equal to 20 seats. You understand this? Means this T1 is equal to A is equal to 20 is equal to A is equal to T1 is equal to 20. Second row T2 is equal to 22 seats. Third row T3 is equal to 24 seats. Then the sequence 20, 22, 24 is an AP because common difference is constant. Common difference between the common difference D is equal to, I will say that D is equal to T2 minus T1 and D is equal to 2 will come. 22 from 22 you have to subtract 20 at that time, 2 will come. Then what you have to find out? Number of seats in the 15th row. Means you have to find out T15. T15 is equal to question mark. And total number of seats in the 27th row. Means S27 you have to find out. Then number of seats in 15th row you have to find out. Then for the number of rows in the 15th, number of seats in the 15th row, if you want to find out at that time, N is equal to 15. A is equal to given, A is equal to 20 and D is equal to 2 is given. Then you have to utilize the formula for finding the T15. You have to utilize the formula of Tn. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So you have to put the value of N as 15. This T15 is equal to A value is 20. Then this N value is 15 minus 1 into D value is 2. You have to write 20 as it is. This 15 minus 1 is equal to 14 multiplied by 2. 14 multiplied by 2. 14 multiplied by 2 is equal to 28. 20 plus 28 is equal to 48. Then T15. Therefore, number of seats in the 15th row is equal to 48 seats. This first answer you understand. Then you have to find out the total seat in 27th row. Means you have to find out S27 you have to find out. For S27, N is equal to 27. A is same, A is equal to 20. D is same, D is equal to 2. You have to write the formula of Sn. Sn is equal to N upon 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. You have to put the value of N as 27 and A as 20 and D as 2. You have to put the value. Then S27 is equal to 27 upon 2. 2 multiplied by A value is 20 plus 27 minus 1 into D value is 2. Then you have to do the product. 2 multiplied by 20 is equal to 40. This answer will come. This 27 minus 1 is equal to 26 will come multiplied by 2 as it is. You have to do the product. 26 to the 52 you have to write 40 as it is. 40 plus 52 is equal to 92. This sum will come 92. And after that You have to do like this: 2 ones are 2, 2 46 are 92, and this 27 as it is, 27 multiplied by 46 is equal to 1242, means 1242, means total number of seats in the auditorium is 1242. I think this is very simple problem, so you understand all these things. So you have to write all these things properly in the notebook, draw the figure also, and write the given and solve the problem properly. Thank you.